to my city. This place. Ulbala Dia Street, Albutin Street. Okay. This is Mama. He carried the chair on his head.
But why this one? They don't change. Still, it looks yucky here. It's look, you know.
Yeah, old, huh?
Yeah.
It's
Why?
old
Why
town.
they don't change here?
No, this is old town.
Old Baladia Street.
Oh,
This
it's
is
like
old town.
there is gold souk here, like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah, the gold souk,
Oh,
yes.
I think you will go there.
Yeah, the Lord Sugar there.
Yeah, it's the gold souk.
Also, careful. I got
Oh, look at that.
Now this area is tourist place.
Sorry?
Tourist place.
Tourist place.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mm.
There is National Day today, right? There is like
yeah.
a
One day
celebration,
ago.
right?
Yeah, one day before. 2nd December.
Now finish?
Yeah, now finished.
No, there is celebration until 3. December
Yeah,
3.
So
Celebration.
maybe today's
Yeah, last today.
Yeah, maybe.
9 o'clock in the afternoon. Ay, sorry, in the night.
In the night, yeah. The evening.
Oh, the George Hotel. Mm.
Dito ba yun?
Ayun o.
Ay, maganda naman pala eh.
Mm.
Andyan lahat ng bandila. Diyos ko lang.
Mm. Here we go.
And saffron, right? Maganda yun. How much is that? I will pay cash.
Okay. Cash?
Yeah. Good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
This is your car? Is this your car?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay, give me your number.
Okay. 67.25.
67. Give me your number because we don't have we will not rent car and then I will call you. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, all right.
But
Write your number.
Yeah, my number,
What?
I work in a day.
Oh, you work in the day?
Yeah, my brother is working in night. It's no problem. We are brothers. If you want, I
So
will
the
give-
same car?
Yeah, the same car. The
Okay,
same car is
all right.
coming.
Where do you work?
05.
You put your name and
Yeah.
your brother name.
Okay. 47246.
Narag na talaga.
See, it is 055. You will understand? or not?
0557